It's been a typical summer's day for much of the country, although it was a cloudy start for parts of eastern South Africa. Towards the west, it was a clear start to the day, but as things progressed, lots of moisture streamed down from Namibia, with lots of mid-level cloud affecting parts of the Northern Cape. Very little rainfall associated with that, but a band of thundershowers has developed ahead of that, affecting parts of the Northern Cape, Western Free State, as well as towards the Drakensberg. It was an extremely hot day in places over the Western Cape interior. As we look ahead now, we're expecting further thundershowers for the central and western parts of the country this evening. Very similar conditions expected once again on Monday, except along the western coastline where temperatures are starting to cool ahead of the next cold front. The opposite is taking place towards the east coast as well as the adjacent interior. Warming temperatures expected across those areas and an extremely hot day forecast for parts of the Eastern Cape interior. Let's take a look at tonight's rainfall, where there's a band of isolated thundershower activity extending from Namibia all the way through the Northern Cape, Northwest Province, Free State and towards parts of KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape, not quite reaching the coastline, and just a very slight chance for thundershowers in Gauteng and along the Mpumalanga Highveld areas. Tonight's Metro Vision is Cape Town with an overnight low of 20 degrees. Skies are expected to remain mainly clear with light winds in the forecast, but things change as we head into tomorrow with northwesterlies becoming moderate to fresh at times. 26 degrees as the maximum, mainly cloudy skies and just a very slight chance for late evening rain. Let's take a look at winds across South Africa now over the next 24 hours, where northeasterlies continue to be fresh for parts of the Eastern Cape coastline. But as the coastal low starts to move through, southwesterlies replace it, and we're expecting southwesterly winds to get up to about 40 kilometers per hour at times along the Garden Route coastline. While over the western interior of the country, we see the northwesterly flow that's going to result in the bergwind conditions over the southern interior, bringing with it those extremely high temperatures. Minimum temperatures now, starting off with tomorrow morning, where we're expecting it to be mostly warm across South Africa. Sutherland, on the other hand, quite cold with a minimum of 9. Not too bad in Johannesburg, 16 degrees to start off your Monday. Taking a look at maximums now for Monday afternoon, where we see it's going to be somewhat cooler near the western coastline, hot across the rest of South Africa, with those extremely hot temperatures settling in for the Karoo areas of the Eastern Cape, Graafrenet up to 40 degrees. Now on Tuesday, we're expecting a cold front to bring much cooler temperatures to the southern portions of the country. Some rain for Cape Town at 22 degrees. Hot in Richards Bay on the other hand at 34. Mainly sunny skies expected, but the wet weather spreads up the east coast on Wednesday, cooling KwaZulu-Natal down. Gauteng on the other hand remaining hot with scattered thunderstorms.